Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a one-point perspective drawing. What we're going to start with is a horizon line, and a horizon line is basically where the land meets the sky. Just needs to be straight. I'm eyeballing all of this mostly, but I am using a ruler. There's my horizon line. Now, one-point perspective means that everything vanishes to one point. So here's my 1 point. Okay? The most famous example of one-point perspective that you have probably seen before, probably in elementary school, looks something like this. Maybe there's a cactus here or something. This is a road going off into a distance. Maybe there are a couple mountains here. But the gist of it is that things disappear on the horizon to 1 point. So, let me show you how this works. Here's my 1 point. I'm going to draw a square, a couple different ones. I should be using a ruler, but I'm not right now. Maybe I'll put one up here. So, from each point, I'm going to draw a line that connects with the vanishing point. That's what that's called. I'm not going to draw one there because I'm pretending that this square is not see-through. Do this up here. What I can do now, if I want to make these squares look like they're floating in space, see this line here? If I draw a parallel line to it up here, and again, parallel means if they go on forever, they'll never touch. Draw one right here. And then draw a line parallel to this, right here. Now I have a perspective square, or cube I should say, floating in space. And what I can do is erase these. Alright, now let's make this one really long. Again, it's going to be parallel to this line, but down here. Parallel to this line, but down here. Then I can erase these. This is the basic idea behind one-point perspective. One-point perspective can be used to create almost anything to look real, and I'm going to show you some examples. As we saw before, this is probably the one you remember. Here's a city, and as you can see, everything's vanishing to 1 point. All these lines, if they were to continue forever, would meet up with that 1 point. Here's another one. Train tracks are very popular in one-point perspective. Everything is meeting up, even the lines up here on top of the buildings. They're all meeting up with that vanishing point, which is right about here. A hallway is also a really popular one-point perspective kind of practice lesson. As you can see, all these lines are meeting up with the vanishing point, which you can't see, but it's probably around here somewhere. You can figure it out by following these lines, and wherever they intersect, that's the vanishing point, so probably right there. All these lines on top of the doors meet up there, bottom of the doors, and even inside the doors, the windows, they all all meet up. The tops of the chairs, the bottoms of the chairs all meet up. If those lines were to continue forever, would meet up with that vanishing point out there. All right, that's all.